So as we are here with such weakness that continues to draw God unto us,
londe uNkulunkulu kithi
this weakness,
lobuthakathaka
it can be seen as a foolish thing
ingabonakala njengobula
or as a failure.
noma ukuhluleka.
But in that weakness of yours,
Kulo buthakathaka bakho
God is able to make His strength known unto you.
uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukubonakalisa ukuqina kwakho kubonakala.
We find it in 1 Corinthians where Paul says
Sithola incwadi kaKorinto lapho uPaul athi
he had a thorn on his flesh
bekanenyeva enyameni
and he
yakhe
asked God to remove it.
wacela uNkulunkulu balisusa,
But God said in his weakness,
kodwa uNkulunkulu usebuthakathekeni
He
bakhe
makes His strength to be known.
ubonakalisa ukuqina kwakhe
It
kubonakala.
means God does not come to you or being drawn to you by power or strength.
uNkulunkulu akahehelwa kuwe ngamandla noma ukuqina kwakho,
So we must understand that in weakness,
kodwa ukuqondisise ukuthi ebuthakathakeni
God makes His strength known.
wenza amandla wakhe abonakala.
And why does He make His strength known?
Ingana yenza ukuqina kwakhe kubonakala
For you to see that your ability
ukuze ubone ukuthi ukhono lwakho
can no longer reach you somewhere where you want to reach.
angeke kusakufikisa lapho ufuna ukufika khona.
The Holy Spirit is what helps us